In today's video we're going to change the engine oil in this Honda Civic 2016. The engine is the 2.0 liters. Okay, now beneath the car we have to remove this cover. To do this there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws in the frontal part and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the cover itself. Once we get rid of them, we just need to push back the cover and then down, and it's gonna be out. Okay, I missed these two. There are 2 more here. Now without the cover, we have access to the drain plug, which is here, this one, beside the exhaust. We're gonna remove it and start to drain the oil. Once we drained all the oil, the next step is gonna be clean my drain plug, put some sealant, clean this area, and then place back my drain plug. And the torque that we're gonna apply, it's gonna be 39 newtons meter or 29 pounds per feet. There you go. Okay, now it's time for the oil filter. For this I'm gonna use this socket. The brand is Autograph, the model is AC1093, or if you just want to go and check, it's a 65 with 14 phases. And now we're gonna tighten the oil filter. The torque that we're gonna use is 12 newtons per meter or 9 pounds per feet. Okay, now it's time to put oil in the engine. The Civic is pretty much new, and my oil cap, it says that I need to use SAE 0W20. That's the grade that I'm gonna use, full synthetic. In my user manual it says that the capacity including the filter is 3.7 quarters of a gallon or 3.5 liters. So I'm gonna start with this. And well, just as a note, I have seen comments in previous videos where people say like, okay, you need to stick in what the user manual says. In my personal opinion, I use this as a baseline, but I double check the level in the car, because at the end of the day this is a document only, but real world is here. Is my personal opinion. Maybe somebody is disagree with this. Is fine. Is up to you. Is my approach. Okay, now I have the oil inside of the engine based on the specification. Right now what I'm gonna do is turn on the engine for a few seconds. I'm gonna do this because I want the oil filter get oil inside of it, and after that I'm gonna let the engine rest, obviously off, I will say like for 5-10 minutes, and once that happens, then I will start to check the oil level and refill if it's needed. I'm gonna use this to keep the interior of the car clean. Let's turn it off. And as I said, now I'm gonna wait for like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, let's check the level and refill if needed. Okay, we have two marks, one here, this is lower level, and one here, this is the maximum allowed level. My level should be between them, which is not the case. Currently it's here, so I need to pour more oil to be between them. Okay, let's check again, and hopefully this time the level will be between the two marks. Okay, the level is exactly between the two marks, so to me that's the correct amount of oil. Now what's next is turn on the car again, check if we have any possible leak, and if not, just place back the engine cover and we will be almost done. Okay, we have no leaks, which is good. I'm gonna turn off the car and then put back in place the cover. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to this channel.